So in this video, I'm showing you the process that my daughters and I went through in putting together a nightstand that she really liked that she saw online. So we ordered the box, it showed up at the front step, and we decided to put it together. So we started by putting all the parts out on the floor and separating everything out. We looked through all of the instructions, made sure that we had all the parts and that nothing was damaged. We also made sure that we understood the instructions as it related to each of the parts before we put anything together so that we didn't put anything together incorrectly. I enlisted the help of both of my kids. They were really intrigued by this project and they wanted to see kind of the whole process. So I used it as a learning moment for both of them. And you can see in this video that the parts that they could help with, I did take the time to let them do that. And it proved to be really beneficial because in the end, when the nightstand was finished, they both felt like they were part of the process. So the beginning steps are fairly easy in putting in the anchor bolts and the turn knobs so that everything presses together. It was a fairly inexpensive nightstand, and I would say overall the quality was really good. The instructions were pretty easy to follow, and the total working time to put the whole thing together was probably about an hour. You definitely wanted to take your time with the instructions, make sure you understood them well, because if you put the frame of it together incorrectly, when you go to do the drawers, you're going to run into some problems. So we put the frame together and completed that. And then we went ahead and we started working on the drawers. Each one of the drawers had color-coded side plates and runners, so it made it really easy to put the hardware on the drawers and put the drawers together. I would say on a scale of 1 to 10, this project was about a 3. I did not find it to be very difficult at all. If you've put anything together before, then this would be a fairly straightforward project. If this is your first time doing something like this, then maybe I would probably rate it around a 5, only because there's a lot of hardware and you want to make sure everything goes together correctly so that it functions properly in the end, because you're going to have drawers that are running along runners, and so there's lots of different moving parts and pieces, but all in all it's a pretty straightforward